Alright, yo, what's up guys? BAESIC back with another video. Just to start off the video real quick, I'm turning on my analytics on my YouTube channel. We already hit 33k views, 70k like watch time minutes, and then I have 84 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 100 as soon as possible. So if you're watching this video and you like automotive or WRX content, go ahead and click the subscribe button right now. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, the video right now that I'm about to show, I'm just gonna show like the car on idle right now, and then after I'm gonna go ahead and explain everything that has been going on with the car, what the dealership said, and etc, etc. So make sure to stay tuned for the whole video, and I hope you do enjoy it. Alright, just showing you guys, if you guys watched my last video, the clicking sound video, you guys know that even on like right now you would still be able to hear the click. You would be able to hear it on throttle, so if I step on the gas, you'd be able to hear it. Obviously, like wide open throttles, you'd be able to hear it loud. Like the whole street would just like literally sound like a big click throughout the whole street. I literally just did my oil change right now too. Put brand new oil in there. I'm guessing the seal on my old filter went out a little bit. There's a little bit of oil right there. No worries though, that happens, not obviously regularly, but you know, those seals tend to break if you're pushing the car, etc, etc. Just washed the car yesterday too, so the car's looking extra nice today. See, like this car's really, it's not a bad car. I love this car. It has like a very unique look. Those burnt tips right there. But yeah, honestly, yeah, so I'm about to go inside of my house, and I'm going to talk about what the issue was. Alright guys, so I just showed you guys the car. So the issue, that big rattle noise, now like I said, a lot of people were saying it could have been a lifter. A lot of people were saying it could be a rod knock, it could be a clutch, it could be you haven't changed your oil, which I change my oil pretty regularly. So the issue that it was a missing bolt in the manifold. So I picked up my car on Friday. It's currently Monday. Picked up my car and I was like, all right, cool. There was one more click. This is where, I mean, it's just, I kind of got a little annoyed because I got the car rack, and if you guys have watched my last video, I've been contacting lawyers to see if I'm able to lemon law this car. Now, don't get me wrong, I love this car. So if I lemon law it, I'm probably just gonna get another one or an STI. Like, that's kind of the short fact. I'm probably gonna get another one of these cars. I started contemplating like a 370Z. But then I started saying, no, there's not enough space. I kind of need the space right now. And a coupe V6, fuck, I'm going to spend hella gas. But yeah, so if I do lemon law this car, I'm probably just going to go get another one. I'm convinced that I just got a bad car. I did not do heavy mods on this car. And it messed up early on. So that was like, it couldn't have been me, right? But there was a missing bolt in the manifold. I got the car back later on that night. Like something in me was just kind of like, you know what, dude, like fuck it, dude, I'm just gonna keep the car. Like, you know, like I'm still on warranty for another, I think 30k miles. I was like, I'm just gonna keep the car. If something else happens down the road, then I'll try to see if I can lemon law it. I had plugged in my Accessport. I was like, fuck it, let me just go on stage 1. And as I plugged it in, it turned on and everything, and I was about to tune it, but then it turned off because I didn't have the ignition on, and I was like, oh crap. So I turned on the car real quick just so it can turn on, and as I turned it on, the click started again. And I was like, oh my god. So the click is there again. Now, is it another missing bolt? Is it this time an actual rod knock? Is it, I don't know what to tell you. It's currently Monday. I had called the dealership, but apparently the guy that was working on my car isn't there until tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it in tomorrow, just so I have the same person, you know, like I don't have to explain it to a whole other dealership like, hey, this is what's going on with my car. Like I prefer to just deal with the same person, same dealership. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it in tomorrow, see what they tell me, and I'll update you guys, you know, furthermore on that. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and put them down in the comment section below. And I hope you did enjoy this video. Go ahead and drop a like, drop a comment. I'd really appreciate that. I'm trying to get to 100 subs as soon as possible. And yeah, appreciate you watching. Have a good day.
Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.